Thank you, Excellency.
By introducing programs like the ICT Leads, we're training 3,000 developers from Bangladesh every month. That is an amazing use case. Waiting for you.
Okay. You should invite me. You should invite me to visit Bangladesh and visit our ICT villages.
Yes.
Both in Dhaka and our countries are behind by 150 years. The second industrial revolution we are behind by 100 years. 80 years behind. The third industrial revolution we are behind by 80 years. But in Bangladesh, our Prime Minister, back in 2008, she floated a slogan that is transform Bangladesh into digital Bangladesh. Back in 2008, 15 years, 15.5 years ago, people laughed at us. What we are saying, even our followers, our party followers and workers, they had the question, what is this? Today, truly Bangladesh is a digital Bangladesh to some extent.
It is.
We have the population of 170 million. We have mobile data is 150 million. And a smart mobile phone user that is about 90 million or something like that.